Hello, this is Chris from Penny's Hot Rods and Customs. Just doing a little introduction to the video we're going to show you. But first off, next week we're going to be doing on December 20th at 7 p.m. Central Time. We're going to do a live stream for about an hour in here. So stay tuned for that. We'll be working on something.
It'll be a special little project.
Special little project we'll work on.
That's Wagon.
There's going to be at least four of the pennies. We'll try to get the fifth one here, but if you want to come see us on next Sunday, that'll be great. December 20th at 7 p.m. Central Time. We'll be on as long as the computer runs good. But yeah, take a look at this two-door wagon video. I think you'll like it. It's a cool wagon. So, and like and subscribe.
And I just want to say happy 64th birthday, Rick. Sorry I'm still losing my voice. Hope you're having a great day. That's whack, yo. I don't know why I'm wearing this. He made me. I look like a effing idiot. Anyway, we'll see you guys next Sunday, the 20th. Hope you like this video.
Hey, we're taking a look at another junkyard gem in Rick's compound of cars. This is a 58 Chevy Yeoman two-door wagon. I believe the Yeoman was the lower end.
I am not too sure. Maybe
the Matador or the Nomad was the higher end.
Yeah, 57s last year for the Nomad.
Yeah, okay. But I think the Yeoman was the lower end.
Correct us if we're wrong.
Yeah.
I'm not sure on that.
It does have some issues. Front eyebrows are gone. That one's been smashed, but you can buy the fenders will fit off of any 58, I believe.
Yes.
So there's lots of 58 parts cars out there. Same with the windshield, it's been smashed. It's a funky two-door.
It may look rough, but you can buy a lot of reproduction parts for these things. I'm pretty sure you can buy full quarters.
And floors, but the back seat looks very nice. It's just dusty
And moldy, probably.
moldy. But the floors are gone, but that's not a big deal.
Pretty simple, boring looking dash.
Yeah.
Compared to like a Pontiac of a 58.
Yeah. Really simple.
The door actually closes quite nicely.
Yeah, the rear quarters are a little bit rusted, but don't the other ones have two headlights or two taillights?
No.
Or just one?
Well, on cars they do, yeah.
Oh, okay.
No. It's amazing that actually opens up nice and it's not rotten, because usually you see them all rotted out.
Yeah.
Does that one open?
Yep.
Just stiff.
Just stiff. I don't want to force it. Part of the headliner,
I'd say probably yes, with a big old turd on it.
Yeah.
Huh. Even a mirror.
Mirror. Spare tire wheel well has a rust problem, but it's nothing.
And it's actually, at least it's not all rotted up in here though.
No.
That's actually pretty solid.
Yeah. Got the original jack instructions.
Huh.
The headliner is dirty, but it's all intact.
Yeah.
It's not
Ripped out, it's just moldy and or mossy.
yeah. I'm assuming the rear seat will fold down and it'll be flat.
Sheet of drywall in here.
Yeah. Yeah. Like in the glass, besides the front window, the glass is all good.
This side's not as bad.
It'll have a gas tank in it. Yeah, this side is not. It's straighter than the other side. There's a Original, one of the original hubcaps. Part of the steering wheel. Yeah, it's a pretty plain looking dash.
It's kind of neat. 3 on the tree.
3 on the tree.
At least it doesn't have a slush box in it.
Yeah, but these even crank. It's probably, I don't want to. Yeah, it works. That works. Window is seized. Don't want to force it. Well, yeah, the doors. This fender is decent. Slight tip for that,
but they all rot out.
Yeah.
Here.
But other than the front window, the glass is all perfect in this thing.
There's lots of 58s out there. At least I know there's quite a few of them. They can get for parts. Let's see what's underneath the hood here.
The roof is
straight as stuff.
Great. You have what would you say this thing might be?
I'm gonna say a 283 probably. Looks like it's basically all intact except for a radiator and a shroud. I'll grab a ratchet and just see for shits and giggles. I'm not expecting anything, but we'll see if the motor's stuck or not.
Assuming that's your windshield washer glass.
And even for the people at home there, I think this is either a 265 or a 283. But the earlier blocks, they don't have a bolt in the crank there. So if you guys could tell us, I just can't think of it right now. There's a condenser. But just see for shits and giggles, since they can't put one on. See if this thing is locked up, which I'm going to say probably is. Nope, turn it over. Huh. Help me jigger. Huh, it turns over. So maybe next year, will it run? Actually take some time and it's a Chevy, so it should, but we'll take some time and actually put new points and condensers. I think we actually have a bunch of new stock GM condensers and all that stuff, so we'll change that out. I have no idea the reason why this thing was ever parked or why it ever stopped running, but
I'm assuming it was rotten like this and hit like this when
it got parked.
When it got parked, so.
But yeah, I'm surprised the motor turns over, so maybe in the springtime we'll do for shits and giggles if we can get it running. Come on, people, it's a small block Chevy. We said that before, but who knows? Everything gets parked for a reason, but I'm just excited that the motor actually turns over. I'm sorry, I'm losing my voice here.
Like the missing chrome, like if it ever decides to get back on the road, that would have to be, but you can get that off of any any two-door Chevy. This vintage.
This chrome strip might be a difficult piece, but
yeah, it's maybe a little bit longer.
Yeah. But yeah, I'm surprised this opened. I've never thought of it even. I thought it'd just be all stuck in there, especially being rusted.
Oh yeah, it still has Chevrolet there, nice V emblem. The bumper is obviously.
And we figured out how to for the locking mechanism to I'll start over. And we figured out how to let the rear hatch go down. There's just a little locking mechanism with a little tab that when you lift it up, you let it fall in the groove and lock it so it doesn't, and you just unlock it, turn it, unloosen it, and then it allows it to fall down. Sorry, just my throat's bothering me. And no, it's not COVID.
Well, yeah, it's I think it's a very doable wagon,
and I like Chevys.
And we're actually thinking about doing a two-door wagon, and we actually have 4 of them here.
Yeah.
So this may be.
So on the off chance, people, I know we got a lot of vehicles we got to finish up next year and over the winter or whatever, but this obviously wouldn't happen to next year. But if we were to build a wagon, would you like to see this 58 Chevy, that 58 Ford, or the big yellow Submarine, the Pontiac wagon. I personally know which one I would like to do, but I won't say. Or there's also a Ford Ranchero, or Falcon or whatever, but not this guy for the Ford. Yeah, Ford. Fixed or repaired daily, I do think that's what they call it.
Yeah.
There's another one too, but I won't say it. But I'm leaning on it like I like it. But I also say that about the Pontiac too. But
Yeah,
it's definitely a doable car. Who knows what all the floors are like, but like I said, you can buy all reproduction. I've already been looking into it. You can buy all reproduction parts for these. And also, face it, we could fab up and make a lot of stuff to ourselves. I think the best thing to do, yeah, probably the best thing to do is take off the door panel and soak everything.
the headliner is
Yeah, I know it's not
very nice. It's dirty,
Yeah, you can get cleaned up.
but
Yeah, you can buy quarters and everything else for these things. I don't know. I always kind of liked it. To me, the ugliest thing about it is just I don't get this piece here, but no, I don't know. That's the only thing I don't like about them. But
yeah.
kind of funky. It would have been nice if it was one piece glass. I wonder how hard that would be to take that out, round it off, put glass in it. Makes you the shit that you think of. But anyway, I hope you liked this video. We rambled on enough. Well, I didn't, because my throat, like I said, it's bothering me. But this guy talked enough, and I hope you like it. So if you guys want to let us know, maybe next year we could possibly doing it. Who knows? Just something to think about.
Yeah, and yeah, I think we've shown all the think of either this, the yellow Pontiac wagon, or the 58 Ford delivery. They all have their ups and lots of downs, but
I just like this because it's Chevrolet. Or I like Pontiac too, but that's what I'd pick. But either here or there. Anyway, I hope you like this little video. Like and subscribe. Like I said, you can find us on Facebook and Instagram under Penny's Hot Rods and Customs. Fuck, I gotta get a Coke or something for my throat. Anyway, have a great day, guys. See you on the next one.